So welcome to a new video, and today I am gonna be doing paper airplanes. So yeah, first try all the way to the carpet. So through, that's pretty good. Let's see. So still got two more. Let's see which one is the best. First one over there. Second one, here we go. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Yeah, came all the way over here. The first one's right here. So that's second, that's first. And here's the third one. Let's see how well I do compared to the other ones. Because I am pretty bad at this. Ooh. Okay, so first, second, and third. So third ones. So bye guys. And please don't hate these vlogs just because they're short. Okay guys? Bye.